Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all the videos we post in future from totsandmoms.com. Hi guys, good morning and welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita Prashant and here today I'm going to talk about lactose intolerance in babies. What are the symptoms and precautions to be taken? You need not worry a lot because there are many other ways of providing calcium to your little one, and this video is a short one to make you understand and to help you overcome the fear of how to take care of a lactose intolerance baby. So let's move on and 8 things about lactose intolerance in babies. Have you heard of a newborn suffering from continued diarrhea, crying, irritable, etc.? These can be symptoms of lactose intolerance, or in simple words, milk allergy. In this video, let's understand more about it. What is lactose intolerance in babies? By birth, if a baby cannot digest lactose present in cow's milk, it is called lactose intolerance. This happens because the enzyme lactase needed to digest this lactose is not secreted. In turn, the baby will have problems in the digestive system since the milk stays inside the stomach in an undigested form. What are the symptoms of lactose intolerance in babies? Diarrhea, frequent watery poo, being unsettled, cranky baby, frequent crying, gastritis with a tummy ache, noisy bowel sounds, or vomiting. Does breast milk also cause lactose intolerance? No. But breast milk also contains lactose and it is very limited. The recent research shows that lactose intolerance wouldn't be caused by breast milk. The intolerance to lactose is generally from the cow's milk or formula prepared with it. So if a baby is lactose intolerant, do not stop breastfeeding. You can always choose to stop the formula milk or cow's milk instead. Lactose overload. What is it? There is a possibility that overloading your baby with both breast milk and cow's milk or formula milk can cause an injured gut, which leads to lactose intolerance. Hence, do not overload the young tummy with too many types of milk. Breast milk is more than sufficient for a baby. What are the alternatives for a baby below 6 months? If you're not producing enough breast milk, meet a lactation consultant and naturally try to increase the breast milk for your lactose intolerant baby. Another option is to choose soy protein based formula milk or Similac, which is milk based formula that contains corn syrup solids rather than lactose, and this can be given to these babies. What else other than milk? There are many options these days which are alternative to cow's milk, like soy milk, yeast derived curd, almond milk, peanut milk, or soy yogurt. How to replace the calcium in cow's milk when you are not giving it to your baby? If you're worried about compensating the calcium when you avoid milk to your lactose intolerance baby or kid, you can give lot of calcium rich foods to them. Examples are beans, avocado, eggs, and vitamin D supplements on consultation with a doctor. How to check foods that contain lactose? When you buy grocery, make sure to check the label for milk, milk solids, non-fat milk solids, milk powder, lactose, casein, whey, and cream. These contain lactose and is a strict no. We need not keep lactose intolerant babies away from cheese and curd. Mature cheeses are low in lactose. They can still tolerate small amounts of it. Cheese, after all, can be the best friend to keep a cranky toddler happy by using it in their favorite dish like pizza, toast, etc. If you are one such parent of a lactose intolerant baby, then you can check out our online store, which has organic baby foods which are lactose free as well. As a mother, I request you not to worry too much, as there are plenty of alternatives which you have just seen in this video. Just ensure to have a word with your doctor and follow her advice. Your baby is as normal as other babies, and you need to be with your baby, supporting her in all her steps. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to share it with any other parent who would find it useful as well. And I want to reach 20,000 subscribers very soon, and request you to help me with that. So thank you so much for watching this video. Watch out our recipes as well on this channel, which will be really helpful in making your easy snack box and lunch box for your kids, toddlers, and some finger foods for babies as well. So we'll catch you soon in yet another video. Take care of yourself till then. Bye bye.